Hello everyone. Greeting to you during this bright time of year. May you experience the light of laughter, the warmth of love, and the joy of gratitude this holiday season and beyond. Hey, it's not appropriate to force yourself to be joyful over the holidays, but it is an opportunity to be ponder, to tend to oneself and identify what makes the holidays peaceful and joyful for you and for me. The days leading up to December, we saw cities and streets deck out in decorations. There's a joyful vibe in the air. You buy gifts for loved ones and make plans for the holidays and receive Christmas cards. It's time for getting together, exchanging gifts, and sharing. Although Christmas is typically associated with happiness, the truth for some people is very different. It involves emotions like regret, melancholy, tension, and even agony. Christmas is frequently the time of year when people experiences this feeling the strongest, and they are intimately tied to one's life experience. Not everyone had a joyful Christmas season. Every individual responds to life experiences and early childhood events with different ideas and feelings. Christmas brings gifts and costumes, holidays from school, and the allure of a Santa Claus to kids. Family get-togethers and enjoyable Christmas activities are among the events. As a result, it's simpler for kids to experience joy of Christmas. Nonetheless, a child understanding of Christmas is typically shaped by how their parents observe the occasion. Families are finalizing preparation for the Christmas get-together, vacation traveler, and other events as the holiday season quickly approaches. Back at home, our parents are eagerly waiting for us. They have harvested and collected all the food grains from the fields, and they are stored up in the barn for the entire winter. Now they are ready and preparing a delicious item for the Christmas Eve. Many people will be taking off to the roads to visit loved ones they haven't seen in a month or to enjoy a much needed vacation. If you are taking a bite back home for the Christmas, never ride without a motorcycle license. Always wear an adequate helmet. Check your bite before your ride. Sit down and hold tight. Obey traffic laws and be aware of other vehicles. However, if you are taking a car back home, it is always a good idea to plan ahead when you are taking a long drive. Getting enough sleep the night before will ensure your drive is safe and efficient as possible. It is very important to also ensure to consume a sufficient amount of water so that you can avoid any tiredness or fatigue on the water that is induced due to dehydration. We wish you a very happy holidays. We hope you enjoy this time with your loved ones and have a wonderful winter season. Merry Christmas once again.